to another episode of Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I'm your host, Caitlin, the Social Media and Community Development Coordinator here at R.I.A. Federal Credit Union. And we're back with some more tips to save for this fall. That way we can help improve your financial success and put a little bit more money back into your accounts. So today we are going to be talking about 5 ways to cut back on your energy bill. Most of these tips are great for every single time of the year. So let's just get on to them. Tip number 1 is swapping out your old light bulbs and be sure to replace them with LEDs. LEDs cost less to run and they also have a longer lifespan, so you're not consistently buying those old light bulbs all the time. Tip number 2 is turn off your dishwasher's dry heat. So if you're running your dishes, be sure once they are finished to open up that dishwasher drawer and let your dishes air dry. And if you don't have enough time to let them air dry, be sure to grab a towel, dry all those dishes off. That way you're not using more electricity, which causes your bill to go up. Tip number 3 is invest in blankets. I love fall, and it is specifically for this reason. Is that you can have layers upon layers upon layers and turn yourself into a blanket burrito. With the colder weather that is fast approaching, layering all those blankets on you throughout the night or just wearing longer sleeve shirts or sweatshirts around the house will help you reduce energy costs, as you will not be turning up the heat quite as often. Tip number 4 is to use dryer balls. Be sure to use dryer balls because they help dry your clothes faster by making sure they don't clump together and help speed up the drying process. And last but not least, we are doing tip number 5. We are opening up those windows this fall. We are going to be opening up those windows to ensure to bring in all that delicious fall weather. So in the months of September, October, November, depending on where you live in November, be sure to open up those windows and let that fresh air in. Not only to help your health, but that way you're not turning up the heat or air conditioning quite as much. Anyways, that's going to be our tips and tricks for this week. Let us know what is one way you cut back on your energy bill in the comment section down below. Anyways, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we will see you next week for a new Tips and Tricks Tuesday.